Students, here is the problem number 7. The question is, a line AB of 70 mm long has its one end A is in the HP and 35 mm behind the VP, and the other end B is in the VP and 55 mm below the HP. Draw the projection of line and find the inclination with HP and VP. We have to find out this theta and phi. Okay, so given data is our true length is given. How much? It is 90 mm. That means A dash B1 dash, it is equal to A B2, it is equal to 90 mm. In previous problem, this true length is given, this one. Okay, this is true length, this is true length. Okay, so A dash B1 dash, this is true length given, and A B2, this is true length is given. How much? It is 90 mm. Okay, so that's why A dash B1 dash is and A2 B2 is equal to 90 mm. Now second point is location of point is given. A is in the HP, that means the location of point front view of the point A, that is A dash, is on the XY. Okay, and it is 35 mm behind the VP, that means we have to reflect in the HP. That's why point A is 35 mm below XY line. Okay, now location of point B is also given. Point B is in the VP, that means we have to draw the top view of a point B is on the XY. Okay, and point B is 55 mm below the HP, that means we have to draw in the VP. This 55 mm we have to draw in VP, and the front view of point B is nothing but B dash, that is we have to draw 55 mm below the XY line. Okay, so start with we have start to draw. Okay, so first draw XY line. This is Y and X. Okay, so first point is location of A dash, it is on the XY line. So I am just considering any point. Say suppose this point, and suppose this point is nothing but A dash point. Okay, so A dash point is already located. Now we have to draw A is 35 mm above XY line. Take 35 mm distance in the scale and mark a point A dash. Sorry, A dash is already located. Now this point is A. Okay, so once you draw A dash and A, draw horizontal line from A dash. It is already line is drawn. Okay, so now just draw another line which is just passing through point A. This is location of, this is locus of A dash, and this is locus of A. Okay, so look, point E is already, A and A dash is already located. Now moving to move to point B. So point B is in on the XY line, means we don't know exactly where point B is located at this point. This means exact location is not given. Okay, so that means this is the line where locus of point B will be created. Okay, so point will be on this line, and the locus of, means this line is called as locus of B. Okay, so now the point B dash is 55 mm below XY line. So take 55 mm in the scale which is drawn 55 mm below the XY line. So this line is nothing but locus of B dash. So this is locus of B and this is locus of B dash. That means the point B dash will be formed on this line anywhere. We don't know exactly which location. Okay, so now all data we have used A, B. Okay, now true length is given. Okay, So true length is 90 mm. Take 90 distance in the rounder. This is 90 mm true length distance. We have to cut true length from A dash to locus of B dash. So here we get point B1 dash. Okay, and similarly take same distance, that is true length, and from point A draw another point or cut another point which is cutting to the locus of B. This point is nothing but your B2 point. Okay, so this is B2 point, this is B1 dash point. Join this B dash A dash B1 dash by straight line and join these two line. This is true length and this is true length. Okay, so with the help of from point B1 B2 and point B1 dash, we have to construct the other problem. So just draw one straight line from B1 dash up to locus of A. Draw one straight line from and this point is nothing but B1 point up to a locus of A. This point is nothing but A1 B1. Okay, so now take distance between point A and B1 in the rounder and draw one arc which is cutting to the locus of B. Okay, so I'm taking the distance as a radius from A and B1, center as A, and draw one arc which this arc should be cut to the locus of B. Okay, so from this point to we move in upward direction and now in this direction. Okay, so this point is nothing but your point B. Okay, and when you join this point A with B, it will form your top view. Okay, and we know that front view of top view of point B and top view of point B, front view of B should be line straight line. Okay, so here is point B dash and point B must be in straight same line. Okay, so I just draw one straight line which just cut to the locus of B dash. This point is nothing but B dash point. Okay, so just join this A dash B dash and this is your front view. Okay, so now take distance A dash B dash in the rounder and center as A. Draw one arc which cut to the locus of A dash. This is locus of A dash, right? So it is exactly cutting to the point at point B. Okay, so here I am moving in this direction. So this is locus of A, this is locus of A dash and locus of B. This is locus of B dash. Okay, this angle is your phi, inclination with HP. This is inclination with VP. This angle is theta. Okay, So now extend this line and draw one straight line here for dimension. This is 35 mm, this is 55 mm. Okay, now in the answer side you have to calculate theta, you have to calculate phi, because we have to find inclination with HP and VP. Okay, and also find measure, this is front view length and top view length. Okay, thank you.